കൊല്ലത്തെ ദ ഓക്സ്ഫോർഡ് സ്കൂളിലെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ ഓൺലൈൻ വെർച്വലിലൂടെ ഓണാഘോഷം നടത്തി. ഓണസങ്കല്പങ്ങൾ അയവിറക്കിയാണ് ഓണപരിപാടികൾ സംഘടിപ്പിച്ചത്.
Allow a child to do anything as per his or her IQ or EQ. ഇയാളുടെ കഴിവനുസരിച്ച് ഇയാളെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ അനുവദിക്കുക. That is the only key I see as far as children in Kerala are concerned.
Good morning all. I am Dr. Naiju. I am an orthopedic surgeon to Travancore Medical College Hospital. I am the CEO of the concern also. My children Azan and Aiza are both students of Oxford International School. Regarding the online platform classes which was offered by the Oxford School, it was very well done and very well organized and oriented. So I appreciate all the management, Oxford management and teachers and non-teaching staffs for making this platform a real successful platform.
We are proud parents of Gauri Vasan of class
5B.
We are here to say a few things about the online classes that has been conducted last year. It was an amazing experience for Gauri. We also really did enjoy some of the classes.
Yeah, it was like the whole school experience came right to home. It was amazing. We got to see each and every teachers, their classes and Gauri's friends. It was really nice.
Good morning everyone. I am Nishchal and I am Samanvita from the Oxford School Kollam. Today we are here to share our experience about our online classes. When this situation started, I was worried, thinking that we would miss our academic year this time. The effort given by the teachers and the management of our school has made this academic year a great success. So today, I would like to thank the school authorities who gave us such a wonderful opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to the teachers who made this academic year a great success.
Hi, myself myself this is Rajiv, a student from grade 8. So today I'll be talking about how a student's life had changed drastically, and also I'll be talking about how I'm thankful for all those changes to happen. We as students are very grateful for our schools for the smooth transmitting and face-to-face classes and to virtual learning without causing any obstruction to learning. So our schools has quickly adapted to and acquired great technologies which helped us improve a lot in our studies, if I might say. Teachers had made sure that virtual learning does not affect our education and learning experience.
Hello, I am